Hi. You girls is back in Adopt Me. Ready to... So basically, the giveaway. I am ready to announce who won. I did it by random, like that same website all the YouTubers use. And guess who won? I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's Lollipop Dream Misty. I think that's how you say it. Lollipop Dream Misty. I'm sorry if I got your name wrong. And I believe her username is Panaya. Yeah, I think either Panaya or Panayi. And yeah, so I will be giving away my little kinsu named Angelica that I actually did not name Angelica. So for Panay. For Panay. Oh, it got tagged, but still for Panay or Lollipop Dream Misty. If you're watching this video, I want you to know that you won the giveaway. And now I'll be building in my tiny home. So let's start off with the bedroom. I think the bedroom is the best part. And I will be selling it because I'm saving my Adopt Me money, even though I don't even play this game anymore. Okay, let's just sell that. Being so slowly. Okay. So I would like a door. Privacy. I'm gonna get a fancy door. I hate these things. Adopt Me meant like to be classy with them, but I hate them. They're so irritation for mobile players. And by the way, guys, I will be getting an iPhone, like for my birthday, which will improve my camera recording. But I may not record side, but I might still record if I don't know really how to record on iPhone. Okay, let's start with the walls. I love this wallpaper. The carpet is gonna be quite a strange choice that you never think. I don't want that one. I love this one. Okay, let me buy a bed. Now, my best friend hates these beds, and I'm not happy that she hates these. I love these beds, and I hate the bed that she likes. We're so different, but we're best friends forever and ever. Okay. So let's get a double bed in my favorite color. I think you guys probably know this. Oh, not green. That's my best friend's favorite color. That purple is my color. Okay, cute. Oh no, I want to do something different actually. I've seen a lot of people do this, but I haven't done it yet. Oop, that's large. Block. Yeah, but I thought block was always in front of large. Yeah. I've seen people do this. I swear it's a trend. Oh no. Okay. F it. Okay. I'm gonna get a TV. I think I can squeeze my favorite TV in. Yeah, this is my cute little room. The bathroom. Okay. How should I make it? Maybe like the walls. Definitely not all that. I just want something simple. No, we're getting too expensive. Okay, let's go back. Probably I should buy this, but I'm going with that wallpaper. It will change shortly. Oh wait, you bought my money. Adopt Me, some weird things are going on. Okay, there. I would like to change the shower to the modern shower. There. Gonna keep it more modern. there. And by the way, sorry for the noise in the background. So we're keeping it more modern. The first build video I've done. First build video. Okay, toilet. Modern toilet. Come on, modern toilet. Come on! Thank you. And obviously you need a sink. I will swap that around. Let's get a vintage sink. We don't have that much space. So just one piece sink. Yeah, one piece sink will do. One piece sink alert. Thank you, have arrived. My enemies. Oh no, the ceiling light, I thought it was a fan. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Look guys, I'm gonna end it for here. If you guys want part 2, I need 1 like on this video and I'll do part 2. So bye.